So, what's new in the world of Werckmeister? We have a few improvements around the device command. In the VSCode extension, you have now this suggestion list here with a list of all your installed MIDI devices, so you can select your device direct from here. And in our web playground, we have now a dedicated dedicated device type, which is the web player, and here we can choose now between two sound fonts. I show you first the default one, which is the flute synth sound font. So, and in comparison, we have now a new one, which is called Live HQ Natural Sound Font, which sounds a bit more realistic. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching.